In order to help simplify and expand these brackets, I'm going to rewrite the first set. Okay, I'm going to rewrite it as such. This makes it a lot easier to visualize when you're expanding. So, now that we have everything ready, we're going to start expanding. We have c squared plus 5c plus 5c plus 25. Okay, for the second set of brackets, we have c squared minus 6c plus 4c minus 24. Now, since we're subtracting the set of brackets, we have to ensure that all of these terms, right? All these terms, they're going to have the opposite sign of what they currently have. So c squared plus 5c plus 5c plus 25 minus c squared plus 4c minus 2, this is plus 6c minus 4c plus 24. Now we can collect like terms, and as you can see, the c squareds cancel out since it's c squared minus c squared. Then we have 5c plus 5c, that's 10c, 10c plus 6c, 16c minus 4c, that's going to be 12c. So 12c, and we're going to look at the constant, 25 plus 24, that's going to give us 49, so plus 49.